Understanding nested if statements.
Nested if statements are when you place an if statement inside another if statement. This allows your code to make more complex decisions by checking multiple conditions in sequence. Nested ifs are common in many programming languages, and using them properly is key to writing code that can handle a variety of situations efficiently.
When to use nested ifs.
You should use nested if statements when decisions depend on multiple related conditions. For example, you might check if a user is logged in and then further check their access level. Nesting keeps related checks grouped together, making it clear what circumstances trigger each set of actions.
Common mistakes and pitfalls.
It's easy to let nested if statements become confusing or overly complex. Deeply nested structures can make code hard to read and maintain. Avoid nesting if possible by combining conditions using logical operators like and or by returning early when appropriate.
Best practices for readable code.
To keep nested ifs readable, always use clear and descriptive condition names. Indent properly to show nesting, and consider breaking up long or complex blocks into separate functions. Comments can help explain the reasoning behind complex branches, but aim for self-explanatory code whenever possible.
Alternatives to deep nesting.
Instead of stacking multiple ifs inside each other, you can often use techniques like early returns, switch statements, or guard clauses. These help flatten your code, making it easier to understand and debug. Remember, clean and simple code is usually preferred over deeply nested structures.